What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. Going to go over our friend Ethereum, a little bit of news while we're seeing a dump here. Currently sitting at 1.148, down 6.8 on the day. Seeing a market cap of 138 B. 24-hour volume, 11.62 billion. So make sure to sign up to Bybit. You'll be brought to this creator page once you create an account page. Once you click the link, up to 30K in bonuses. Enter your email, password takes 30 seconds. Make your first deposit. You can email me or sign up email, free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members talking all things crypto. If you're in the US, you don't want to use a VPN, sign up to BitGet. Both incredible exchanges, all right, guys? So, ETH tanks 8% overnight as FTX hacker sells Ethereum holdings. Absolutely insane how much he got. So on Sunday, November 20th, reports emerged that the FTX hacker who stole $600 million from the exchange is converting his ETH stash to Bitcoin. Last week, the hacker converted all the stablecoins to Ethereum, accumulating $288 million worth of ETH. I believe he was around the 35th largest holder of Ethereum. And then it just talks a little bit more about that. So he's converted it to BTC, and that's why you saw that dump for the price of ETH, and the fact that, you know, we're breaking down from our ABCDE triangle, which we've been calling here on the channel, and it's following our analysis and our predictions, which we love to see. So we started to break down from our ABCDE corrective triangle. We're looking at an ending diagonal, wave 5, wave 1, wave 2, ABC, coming down to wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 to take you down to 550 to 650. In my opinion, best case scenario, about 700 to 800. But the wave 3 target is down here about 870. So zooming in to the 1 hour time frame, as you can see, ABCDE started to break down. So what we're looking for is a 5-wave move into a C. So the smaller wave count, subwaves, 1, oh geez, Jax, get it together, absolute amateur. 1, 2, potentially coming down to 3, 4, 5 to complete the wave 1, wave 2 pullback, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 to complete the wave C to take you down to around 870. Which I think is the probable scenario. But if you're just trading this wedge pattern, your technical target is here at 1040. Popping over to our next chart here on the daily, we've had the bearish cross. As I mentioned, when you have the bullish cross fake out into a bearish cross, and a bear market usually leads to future sell-off. Your next strong level of support here is coming in between about 995 to about 1038, and you do have some volume support, some high volume nodes here at about 1095. As you can see, we broke down from these high volume nodes, so it's likely, or at least going to come down to that 1090 area, potentially put in a double bottom. But I do think you'll see the price of Ethereum continue to break down here. There's one more chart I wanted to show you guys. What did I want to show you guys here on the daily? I think it was just that the next strong volume is here in between about 500 to about 700, which I do think Ethereum will come down to. As you can see, I think we're just looking at a relief rally. I thought we might actually start to break out to the upside and the bottom was in, but there was a voice in the back of my head that really couldn't believe it was happening. I was shocked. So now that we're breaking down, I'm actually a little bit more relieved, so I can get some of my altcoins at cheaper prices. So you can see here with this descending channel, we're just breaking down in the channel, and I think we'll start to come down to that strong support in between about 500 to about 700, and potentially find a bottom. But anything could happen. We could bottom out before that and put in a 1-2 breakout to the upside. I don't think it's likely, but it's always on the table. Anything is possible, and we can only look at probabilities. So that's what I'm looking at for Ethereum. I don't see anything bullish on the chart, in my opinion, unless we see a large bounce to the upside, start to break these levels of resistance. But as of right now, we can focus on the bearish scenario. All right, that is it for this one. Make sure to sign up to Bybit or BitGet. Email me or sign up email. Free access to my Discord, over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. At the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, as well as my trade signals. Recently dropped the trade, which is currently in profits. It's only $10 per month, the price of a Big Mac meal. I think a Big Mac meal is more than that now, but you shouldn't be eating McDonald's anyways. It's complete poison. Make sure to smash that like button. You can follow me on IG if you want to keep up with my travels. I make travel reels. Smash the heart over there as well. Give those a like if you'd like to. All links are in the description, and all links for the exchanges are in the comments. And email me your sign-up email, all that jazz, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, much love. Take care.